Hey guys, today let's learn how to view blocked sites on Google Chrome on iPhones. First of all, what you actually need to do is to head on over onto our settings application and head on over to screen time. Over here, on to content and privacy restrictions. I want you to click on that, and I want you to scroll all the way down onto web content. So basically, first thing we did is to enable the content and privacy restrictions, and then click over here on content restrictions, and then scroll all the way down to web content. And I want you guys to add in over here and click on choose the limit adult websites. Now, once you are here, you can actually now block those websites if you want to. But of course, if you don't want restricted access, just click over here on unrestricted access, and you should be able to view those adult webs, or rather restricted websites on Google Chrome with ease with no problems. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.